Locked out of your Snapchat because you forgot your password. Don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly how to find your saved login information right on your iPhone. First, we're going to dive into your iPhone settings. Look for the gray gear icon that says Settings and tap on it. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Passwords. Tap on that. You'll likely be prompted to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Go ahead and use whichever method you have set up. Now you're in your passwords vault. This is where your iPhone securely stores all your saved usernames and passwords. Tap the search bar at the top. Type Snapchat into the search bar. Once you see Snapchat in the results, tap on it. Here you'll find your saved Snapchat username. To reveal the password, simply tap on the eye icon next to the masked password field. Your password will now be visible. You can also tap the copy icon to copy the password and paste it directly into the Snapchat app. And that's all there is to it. Now you can easily log back into Snapchat.